When you see a picture of some huge, beautiful galaxy, it looks so peaceful, right? Just serene, slowly creating stars. But what if I told you that calm exterior is basically a mask, that it's hiding a seriously violent past, a history of galactic cannibalism? Yeah, of just eating its neighbors. So let's dive right into this cosmic cold case. So here's the big question for astronomers. How do you uncover that past? It's not like we can just sit back and watch a galaxy grow for billions of years. So how do we find the story of its growth? How can we actually prove that these massive galaxies are literally built on the bones of smaller ones they've devoured? Well, the evidence isn't where you'd think. It's not in the bright, busy center of the galaxy. Nope. It's way out here, in these huge, sparse, and incredibly faint outer regions we call the halo. This is our cosmic crime scene. And that ghostly light from scattered stars? That's where the secrets are